From a gloss to a...
Ah! Oh, got you again. So easy.
Oh, that was such a good point. All right,
Stop whining. So with the wet areas, we have the ensuite that services the master retreat up the front.
It's quite a tight space, so we're not doing much to the floor plan, but just by updating the vanity, the shower, the toilet, all the tapware, will just really help bring it to this century.
And down here we have the guest and family bathroom, which has our bath, walk-in shower, big vanity.
So here we have our main bathroom, which has come along heaps since we were last here. So we've had all our tiling done, a beautiful fluted shower screen that's been put in, and then also our vanity, which will hide for the reveal. Even though we didn't gain any extra space in the bathroom, we were still able to include everything that they need for going into the teenage years.